Okay, how to improve curb appeal for your house before you sell it. Now, curb appeal is very important. Why? Because it's the first impression and you're going to get buyers as soon as they get out of the car. Now, here's a list of some very quick and easy things that you can do to improve curb appeal. The first is, if you're selling in the summer, keep your grass cut and weed your flower beds. You want your green space to be tidy. If you're selling in the winter, shovel your sidewalks and your driveway. You want people to actually be able to get into your house. Next is, if you've got peeling or chipping paint, like around the windowsills or things like that, you want to take care of that. Get all that out of there and then repaint. And especially if you've got a bold color, you might want to think about neutralizing that. Neutralizing the colors inside and outside of your house. It's never a bad thing. Okay, the next is, if you've got rotting wood, maybe on your deck boards, or the trim or the windowsill, things like that, replace those. Because again, it's going to give a buyer the impression if things are broken on the outside, they might be broken on the inside. Now, the number one and number two things that you can do to improve curb appeal is to change out your front door and your garage doors. Now, if your budget allows, I highly recommend it. It's a nice pop. People love a brand new front door. If you've got a really tight budget, then what I would suggest is to change out the lock set, the door handle, and the deadbolt, just to freshen it up a little bit. Same thing with your stairs or your sidewalk. If there's cement and there's chipping or they're pulling away from the house, you might want to think about replacing them or certainly repairing them. So really, that's really just a quick list of things that you can do to improve curb appeal. Now, I've got other ideas, and if you have specific questions on what to do with your house, please reach out to me. I would love the opportunity to speak with you, and we can go over that list and see what would be a good fit for you and again for your budget. So thanks so much for watching. I really hope that you found this helpful. Thanks.